Hi pool players, in this video I show you how to perform my random 8-ball outs drill. Enjoy! Hi everyone, it's Rick from 15 Diamond Billiards. I'm just going to do a random 6-ball run out, okay? Just random. And just throw these balls anywhere on the table. If they go in the gutter, just pick another one and throw it out. Oh, sorry. Anything, okay? That way. Good. Ball in hand and running out. There's no 8-ball or anything, just a run out situation, okay? Ball in hand. See if we can try to get the worst ball first possible. One down, get a name on this if I'm on that. Do this first. And do this. Actually, I'm going to go here. Here. There. And the angle comes down, okay? I missed. Okay, start again. You missed, you start again. Random, okay? It's a good game. Randomly, we're going to throw these balls on the table. 3 and 3. Just any old balls, it doesn't matter. I just wanted to spread them out. If one goes in the gutter, just throw one out. Whatever. Doesn't matter, alright? I'll just run these out. That's the name of the game. Run out. There's no 8-ball, there's no high, low, just you get ball in hand to begin with. I find a cute ball. I think it's over. Yeah, it is over there. Okay, so ball in hand to start. Pick up your trouble. I don't really have any trouble balls. Okay, so I'll start over here. Go this way. Stop shot here. Over here. A little low. Come around to the 11 or the 14. I can leave it right there and go this way. Doesn't matter. Pull it up to 13 with a little angle. Right there. Get an angle on it. And 13, easy shot. Well, you get an angle on that. It's okay though. We'll bring it back. And then one in here. Alright, so that's just a quick game.